Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday.
Today I'm making beaded infinity sign earrings and rings. I'm using 20 gauge silver artistic wire and 4 and 6 millimeter miracle beads. I'm using the Beadalon Slimline series chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, the Glimmer series nipper tool, the nylon jaw pliers, and the bail making pliers. So we're going to start with about 6 inches of 20 gauge artistic wire. Using the Beadalon bail making pliers, we are going to do a teardrop shaped loop with one end and another teardrop shaped loop with the other end, and both wires are going to the same side. And then we're going to take the chain nose pliers and bend the wire up on a sharp angle so it is centered in that teardrop shape. And bring the other side up in the same way so the wires are going halfway through the teardrop. So now we can slide a 4 millimeter miracle bead onto that wire so it sits right underneath the teardrop. We'll do the same on the other side. Just push it right in there so it sits snugly in the teardrop. And the wires are going out to either side of the infinity sign. Adjust it as you need with your fingers. You can use the nylon jaw pliers to push those wires in a little bit more so the beads sit right firmly in place. So now we're going to curve out the wires on either side of the infinity sign, and that will be the center point of the ring. And we'll take our stepped wooden ring mandrel and bring the wires around. Now I've cut the wires a little long. You can finish this in different ways. You can attach the wires so it's not adjustable, but I'm going to make this ring adjustable. So for that, we're going to use the smallest part of the bail making pliers and do a loop just a little bit to one side of the center back. So we've got one of the loops, and then on the other side we're going to do another loop. You can make these loops smaller if you prefer as well. We're just going to turn the wire around to make a closed loop and then clip them with the nipper tool or your flush cutters. So just clip off that extra wire, make sure it's flush, and then we can just push in the pokey end with our chain nose pliers. Turn it around and do the other side, push in that pokey end, and you can adjust it. You can see that the loops will sit at the back. When you put it on, you've got your loops at the back. Now, if you prefer, you could put the loops towards the center. If you don't want them sticking out, it might be more comfortable this way. And you can see how that looks a little bit different with the loops towards the middle. And there we have the finished ring. You can make your loops a little smaller if you want to. So for the earrings, we're going to use 6 inches of the 20 gauge artistic wire and the 6 millimeter miracle beads. Put them both on and hold them firmly and bring the wire around. So we're bringing it around in sort of a S formation around to the back. Pull it really firmly and then bring it back down towards the bottom. Bring it to the back and then curve it around the bottom bead. We're just making the infinity sign with the wire to hold the beads in place. Adjust it as you go, and then bring the wire up towards the top. Hold it firmly, pull the wire and bring it up and around. You see it has like a figure 8. Check it to make sure it's nice and even. And then we want to hold it super firmly and bring the wire around. We're going to attach it at the top and give it a good little clip so it's flush and then you can push that little end down with your chain nose pliers. And from there, we're just going to do a little bit of an adjustment as we need it, and then clip that wire to 3/8 to 1/2 inch with the flush cutters or nipper tool. Give it a good little clip, and then we're going to grab the end of the wire with the bail making pliers, hold it firmly, push and around to make a centered loop. Super simple. Pinch it closed so there's no pokey little ends, and then we're going to attach our hooks. I will link up a tutorial for the earring hooks, and they're your super cute infinity sign earrings and the matching ring.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook.
You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop.
So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.